her turn in the water. Splishing and splashing, Xena. That is why the puppies don't run. Rattlers and cottonmouths.
Make a lot of noise. Keep them all out.
Working hard to get all that water in the right position. Just too much of it. Got a little more water than you wanted to get on you, Xena. Bones. Bad to the bones.
Oh boy. Look at those ears. Up today. Down. They were down yesterday. Now they're up today. He's sharking now.
Psycho's turn.
Yay, Psycho.
Splish splash. Psycho's taking a bath. You taking a bath, Psycho? You splishing and a splashing? No, not that I'm busted now. It's no fun. Hello, Psycho. Hello, Psycho. Hello, Psycho. Hello, Leia. Yes. Yes. Easy.
Little Miss Princess Leia. With her industrial blow dryer.
You got an industrial blow dryer, Leia.
They didn't use Leia. They used another one for her.
Yeah, that was the meatballs, Spaceballs. Where's he going? Hey, Psycho. No digging. yucky. I hope he leaves. I'm not tasty. Please leave. Move on. You don't look friendly. Yes, good. Go on my camera. On my phone. There we go. Go on. Move along. All right. That was successful. It's into the grass there and off of me. It was scary for a moment. Hopefully he doesn't find me again. He doesn't look too friendly. Anyhow, back to the puppies. What are you watching, Zena? You're watching me? I'm watching you, but you're watching me. Alrighty. We good for now, Zena? Did we do enough movies for this morning? Oops. Now they decide to get moving again. Cycle! Yes, cycle! Splishity, splashity. Yes, mister. Okay, it was that time. Who goes there? Who's coming back? Alrighty. Well, we're going to be done for today. Thanks for watching. Vom Barron's Pride.